So if you put out a questionnaire to 10 funds and brokerages, almost 8 of them are intending to go long on commodities like copper, nickel and zinc. Of course, a couple of them do feel that the sentiment has run up too ahead of the fundamentals, and you might see some profit taking come in for that space. But Prathamesh Mallya then joins us with his strategies on the last day of this year. Prathamesh, hi, good to have you. What's your sense if you had to pick one commodity that you would want to create long and continue into 2017, which one would that be?
Good morning, Manisha. In the entire commodity space, crude is one asset wherein you can place a bet for long side for most of 2017. Although it is clearly seen that 1.8 million barrels per day would be taken off from the market in 2017 by OPEC and non-OPEC nations, it really remains to be seen how these OPEC nations conjoin all the efforts and really bring in price stability. So that is one thing which is uncertain, and it will really impact once numbers come in from these nations. So oil is the best bet in the entire commodity space for 2017.
Okay.
More upside expected in crude oil. That's the best pick that he's picking up for the next year now.
Okay. All right, Manisha. Thanks very much for that. But just a quick question. What are the upside estimates for crude oil in terms of an estimate for 2017?
You know, as we just pointed out, the Indian budget itself is assuming that we are working with $55 to $60 per barrel for the whole of 2017-18. And that, of course, is slightly on the higher side there. But yes, there are reports of...
Outlier estimates.
Oh, yes. But there are reports as well that 70, 75 perhaps would be tops. You might see a spike, up to those levels, but sustaining those levels is going to be very difficult.
Okay, all right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that's on the commodity space. Well, for our markets, it's a good advanced decline ratio.